Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Mailchimp creative email templates Adobe. So first and foremost, you just have to simply log into your Adobe. Adobe has tons of templates that you can use here. For example, if you want to send a newsletter or template for email, then you can just basically look for templates here. Let's just say you will be sending emails for a yoga invitation or yoga class invitation. You can just go to Adobe and then select from any of the template right here. For example, let us use this template. All you need to do is to click this one. It will take you directly to Adobe Express. Wait for a couple of seconds and you can now edit this. You can add more information. You can edit design. You can add some elements, objects, change the font style, change the font size, and so on. So all you need to do is to edit this. Once you're okay with your design, then you can download this picture or this image from Adobe. Now, once you have downloaded your image or your design from Adobe, you can now go to your Mailchimp. So you can go to any web browser and then log into your Mailchimp account. So Mailchimp can help you create a simple email. So all you need to do is to sign up if you don't have an account yet or sign in. Once you're here, then create email. Then Mailchimp will give you options if you want to start from their design. You can use their design or you can use basic layout or start from scratch. So for this time, let's just use the basic layout because we will be adding the design that we have created from Adobe. Here you can add the information of your email, the title, the body, the message you can add here. And below, you can add the design or the image that you have created from Adobe. So I know that you can design way better. This is just to show you how to do it, but I know that you can do better than this. You can design better. You can be more creative with that template from Adobe. But all you have to do is to upload or add the image here on your Mailchimp to make it more attractive. So you can basically edit this one. You can change something here, the size, and you can also add logo to your email. And once you're done, then you can preview. And once you're okay with the result, then you can now send this. But this is how easy it is to create MailChimp creative email templates Adobe. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.